If Canva is showing an access error, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest steps to get Canva working again, and I'll also show you a few simple checks that can solve the problem when the issue is caused by your browser or internet connection. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get straight into it. The first thing to do is log out of Canva and then log back in again. This may sound simple, but it often clears a temporary session issue that can cause access errors. Once you sign out, close the tab completely, open Canva again, and sign in with the same account you normally use. If the error is still there, the next step is to refresh the page. Sometimes Canva just needs a quick reload to reconnect properly and restore access. Use the refresh button in your browser or press the keyboard shortcut to reload the page. If that doesn't solve it, the issue may be related to your internet connection. To check that, open your browser and search for speed test. Run a quick internet speed test and make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is slow, weak, or dropping out, Canva may fail to load correctly or may block certain features from opening. If needed, switch your network. For example, change from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot, or from hotspot back to Wi-Fi. This is a great test because it helps you find out whether the issue is tied to your current network. In many cases, simply switching networks is enough to get Canva working again. Another very important step is to disable any VPN or proxy service you may be using. Canva can sometimes block or limit access when it detects a VPN or proxy, especially if the connection looks unusual or unstable. Turn it off completely, then reload Canva and try again. After going through these steps, try opening your design or dashboard again and see if the access error is gone. In most cases, one of these fixes will get you back into Canva without any more trouble. So to recap, log out and back in, refresh the page, check your internet speed, switch networks if needed, and disable VPN or proxy services. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Canva troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.